girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah.
Hey Faith Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the Faith Gang. And if you're not new, hey Faith Gang, I'm glad you all came back to watch my video. So as you guys see by the title, in today's video, I am going to be getting my deep wave bundles installed. And I wanted to come on here the day before. Today is Sunday right now when I'm filming this. I wanted to come on here and actually show you guys like what my hair looks like, what the condition of my hair is right now before I actually get my deep wave bundles installed. I'm actually going to be posting a video of the process of me washing the bundles. So if you guys want to see that video, the link will be in my description box down below. And I'm also going to post that video so you guys can see the process of me washing my deep wave hair, and so you guys can like see what product I use to wash the bundles. My hair might look a little dry right now, but I'm going to be deep conditioning my hair today just to get my hair back moisturized before I get my deep wave hair installed. But as you guys can see, I'm definitely getting some lay. And this is what the top looks like. My hair is so defined now. I use the Unicurl leave-in detangler styler to do my hair. I did a braid out. And if you guys haven't already checked out that video, I'm going to put the link to that video in my description box also. But I will see you guys tomorrow when I'm getting my deep wave hair installed.
when I'm doing my summer classes, and I gotta work my way back up to getting my and I think I need to start doing my trending videos too. Not challenges, but like I got a lot of views when I did my lead videos. Like those videos got like 2K.
Alright you guys, I finally made it home, and as you guys can see, Jordan finished my hair. Yeah, I love my hair so much. But I do think that if I like use some Eco Styler gel, I will have some more defined curls. But for right now, it is really pretty and I'm feeling it. Okay, but I'm gonna leave Jordan's information in my description box down below, so you guys will be able to check out her page and to see all the good work that she does. And I'm gonna do a 360 so you guys can see what my hair is looking like. And as you guys can see, I have a closure. And she did a good job with my closure too. It looks nice and natural. And if you guys are wondering how many packs of hair I have 3 bundles and 1 closure. And I'm going to leave the link to the website that I got this hair from in my description box down below also. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button so you can join the faith gang. And hit the notification bell so you can get alerted every time I post a new video. And I want to thank you guys again for watching my video. And I also want you guys to leave some video suggestions in the comment section down below of some videos that you guys would like to see. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, Faith Gang.